If your Chrome browser is having issues loading websites or you keep getting network errors, then clearing your DNS cache might help resolve your issues. So follow the steps of this video to learn how to clear your DNS cache in a quick and easy way. This tutorial applies to Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netsh int ip reset creset log.txt and then press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Type exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed.